Hey, my name is Jesus Castillo from rubyguides.com, and in this video I want to show you how to use regular expressions to look for multiple words using a regular expression. So I have this string, so you can see have some bacon, chocolate, apple, orange, and I want to look for bacon. So I want to know how many times we have the word bacon inside this string. That's what we want to do. So if I take food, which is our string, and we scan it using the scan method, we can pass in a regular expression like this. And this is a very simple regular expression because we are just looking for the word bacon. So this finds bacon twice, as you can see. And now if we want to count them, we can simply add the size method like this. And of course it's 2 because we have 2 bacons, one there and another there. Are you hungry already? So let's look. What if we want to look for other food items? For example, we want to look for oranges. Well, we can add this OR operator, and then we type the name orange, and if we remove the size, we can clearly see that it finds bacon, orange, bacon. So what this is saying, it's find either bacon or orange. Now, what if we want to use an array instead of a regular expression like this? So let's say we have a list of foods like this. Let's call just A. And we have this list: bacon, orange, let's say some chocolate. Okay, and we want to be able to scan for this list. So this is just an array. But what happens if we try this? For food scan A, like this. So A is our array. What happens is that we get a type error. It says wrong argument type array. And this important part, expected regex. So what this is saying is that it wants a regular expression, a regex, not an array. We're passing an array. How can we solve this? How can we convert our array into a regular expression? Well, one way to do that is to use the union method. So let me show you an example. We can do this, regex, and it rejects ending with a P, then union, then A. So notice what this is doing. This takes our array, then it takes each string, and then it converts it into a regular expression. And you can tell it's a regular expression because these forward slashes. And notice this looks very similar to what we did here by hand, manually, right? So imagine that you have a very large array of items that you want to look for. Maybe that's coming from the database or something. This is how you can build the regular expression dynamically. So now if we combine this and we put the union method in here, union A. So Ruby, we first evaluate, read this part of the code, and then we turn into this, and then we call the scan method, and we get what we want. So notice the difference. Before we tried with A, but A is just an array, so we get a type error because it wants a regular expression. But using the union method, we can convert the array into a regular expression like this. And finally, we can scan using this produce regular expression from our array. And we get the output. So the output is all of the words from our food string that match the regular expression. And now if you want use like before, you can count them like that. So that's how you take an array and convert it into a regular expression using the union method. And you can also use this combined with another method, with the gsub method. You can do a really nice trick, but I will show you that in another video. Okay? So if you like this video, if you found it interesting, if you learned something new, I hope, then please give me a like, so I know that you like this. If you have any questions, if there is something that you didn't understand, then please leave me a comment so I can help you with that. I can answer you, maybe make another video to answer your question. Okay? And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, do it now, because that will help you keep growing, keep learning about Ruby. And it also helps me grow the channel so I can reach more people with this education and information. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.